Earlier in the show, we hit you with a lot of chaotic events that can take a toll on our mental health and also take a toll on our mental health of our educators. A growing number of schools around the country are exploring new ways to support teachers' mental health. Wednesday, Guilford County Schools announced it is now providing free mental health support for teachers and staff. Superintendent Dr. Whitney Oakley says the school district will use federal relief funds to support GCS staff through a partnership with eTherapy.
Since I was named superintendent just in early September, I've met with more than 2,000 people across our community and across our organization. And the biggest thing that keeps coming up is the needs around mental health.
The online mental health support provided by eTherapy uses a solution-based strategy to help employees identify where they need assistance and provide them with tools to meet those needs. Dr. Oakley says the free services are confidential and provide flexible appointments for the rest of the school year.
Having good mental health means that we can do the rest of our work, making sure that we feel good and we're taken care of and we have supports we need, mean that we can get to our core business, which is teaching and learning.
Before this rollout for GCS staff, the district used federal relief funds to launch a pilot at 46 schools to provide free on-demand mental health support for students. Dr. Oakley says within a month, more than 1,000 students signed up.
School leaders and teachers have really embraced this idea around making strong mental health a part of the everyday school culture. And so different schools are championing different events across the community and really showing that having strong mental health in school is a part of how we operate and what we should continue to value.
GCS employees who do wish to take advantage of the service have received instructions on how to do so in their emails. I think that this is a great service. I think it's something that all careers, all jobs should be able to provide. What Dr. Oakley said, when you are at your best mentally, you're able to do your job at your best, which is teaching students.
Well, it's like you check that box off, okay, I can take care of that. I've always said it's almost like a caregiver. If you don't take care of yourself as a caregiver, you can't take care of the person you're supposed to take care of. So same thing here.
And I mean, just think about what happened today in
Yes.
schools.
Yes.
I mean, think about how that impacts the mental health of the students and the teachers. I mean, in those schools today, there's not a lot of learning going on.
No.
It is so it's so distracting to have something like that happen. And then how do you recover from it to make sure that you're still going to learn tomorrow?
And I love that we're normalizing mental
Yes,
health.
talk it out.
I know that the COVID-19 pandemic was a catalyst for this, but we're having this conversation because it is a real thing. Just like you ache physically, you can ache mentally as well. So I love that we're providing these free services and it's not considered a stigma because everybody's dealing with some level of stress or some level of anxiety. It might not be as extreme as others, but it does exist.
Well, I know they say it's confidential, and I know that that's good, but I also think people should be like, I'm using this, talk it with each other, teachers and students alike, just saying, I'm using this, or you use it? Yeah, this is a great thing.
And it's free.
For totally free.
It's free.
Right.
Another thing I wanted to bring up, GCS had tweeted on Monday, Mental Health Mondays, and the middle college at UNCG's campus, they had counselors there with the students talking about ways to cope, ways to talk to your parents, saying you might need some help. And during that time, the staff got to do yoga and other activities.
Oh, nice.
So they're really trying to normalize this and make it a part of the district's culture as a whole.
We need to do a News 2 yoga class is what we need.
Ooh, I would be down for that.
Just do it on the news.
We could.
And you at home can join us.
No one wants to see me do yoga. I'll let you younger people do that. I'll be off to the side with a megaphone.
Maybe with the whistle. All right, next.
Next, Downward Dog. All right, we'll be right back.